In closing arguments in U.S. District Court, Attorney Henry Howell, representing the Ellis family, put before the jury the pivotal question, what did she die of? Howell says the evidence supports Jeffrey Ellis' contention that his wife Margaret died of toxic shock syndrome. He said her death was caused by heart attack due to hypertension from TSS. Howell contends that if Mrs. Ellis had known the use of Playtex superabsorbent tampons posed a health hazard or even death, he said this mother who loved her husband and 4 children would be here today. An attorney for International Playtex, William Robinson, said evidence shows that Ellis and her sister had discussed the possible hazards and talked about discontinuing the use of tampons. Under the law, Robinson added, you can't be responsible for telling someone something they already know. He contends she died of a heart attack and not from toxic shock. Following closing arguments in the case, Judge John McKenzie handed the jury its final instructions. It's being asked to decide if International Playtex, in its manufacturing of superabsorbent tampons, was negligent in not providing warning notices on its packaging concerning toxic shock syndrome, and if Margaret Ellis actually died of the disease. If so, the jury will be asked to assess damages under Virginia's wrongful death statute. Attorney Henry Howell.
We feel that we put on as good a case as could be put on.
The optimistic.
Well, we never like to predict.
Defense attorneys for International Playtex had no comment about the case. In Norfolk, Ava Hurdle, The Daily News.